I spy a Kasa 2K HQD security camera, pan tilt, starlight sensor for color, night vision, motion detection for baby and pet monitor, two-way audio, cloud, and SD card storage, works with Alexa, Google Home. From Kasa Smart Store, TP-Link. There's the camera, plug, cable, pamphlet, mount, and screws. Okay, light comes on. Download Kasa. Look at that thing turning around. Okay, Kasa Smart. We'll see how smart it is. I'll be the judge of that. Open. Find devices. Allow. Notifications. Allow. Okay, local permission, local network permission needed. Bluetooth is on. Create account. Verify through email. There it is. Click to finish registration. Activation succeeded. I'm already verified. Use location to determine sunrise and sunset times. Now I gotta sign in to the app again. Okay. We've updated our privacy. Okay, great. Add device, finally. Local network, I've given permission. I've already given it. Already given permission. Okay, doorbells, cameras. So doorbells, cameras, smart plugs, smart lights, smart switches, hubs, smart thermostats, on and on. Cameras, okay. Kasa needs your location. Okay, fine. Have my location, allow once. Now it takes me back to doorbells, cameras option. Okay, Kasa Spot. This is the Kasa Spot pen tilt. Power up your camera, boom, it's powered up. Next, look for the front of your camera, LED orange blinking, orange and green. Go to your iPhone settings and join the Kasa Spot Wi-Fi network. Okay, Wi-Fi settings, annoying. Great, Kasa Spot, Kasa Cam, that's gotta be it. I gotta join that network. I take a few minutes to establish a connection, it's working. Okay, choose a network. Now I'm gonna choose my network and I'm gonna sign in with my password. Connecting Kasa to your home network. Great. It's not that hard. Okay. Allow once. Device name. Cam, because I'm original. Location. Custom. Living room. Save. Enable notifications. Okay, fine. Enable 24/7 recording. Disable 24/7 recording. Mount your camera. I'll do it later. Congratulations, you configured your Kasa Spot. It's ready to use for device list. Sounds good. Okay. Sign up for a plan, or it asks you to. I'm gonna skip that. So it's got the device there. I guess I click on the device. Okay, yeah, and then immediately the image comes up of that we're seeing from here. Okay, so now you have a little controller on there, and if I push up on this, here comes the camera tilting up. Yeah, all the way up. There we go. You got options to do different viewpoints. You can follow people. You can talk through it. Allow access to your microphone and check, mic check. It works. All right, cool. And of course you've got recording, you've got schedule, and under device settings you can configure all the settings that you want, different resolution and so on. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's see, it's a little bit laggy. It's a slight lag to it. Little bit of a lag. Oh, and this is like a little joystick right here. And you can turn it around and hold this little button in the bottom and go up and down with it. You don't have to push the buttons. Yeah, I like the pan and tilt feature on it. That's pretty good stuff. So there you go, the TP Link Kasa Pan and Tilt. Woo!